Hello. You are watching Rahmath English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 2. Write 25 positive sentences using modals. Examples. Positive sentence. I can drive a car. She might come to the party. Answer. Here are 25 positive sentences using modal verbs. I can play the guitar. She might visit us tomorrow. He will finish his homework on time. They should exercise regularly. We must follow the rules. You could try calling him later. I may go to the market this evening. She can speak 3 languages. He would help you if he could. We shall start the meeting at 10 a.m. I can solve this problem easily. She must wear a seatbelt while driving. They might move to a new city soon. You should drink more water every day. He could finish the task before lunch. We will meet at the cafe later. He may accept the offer. I would love to join the team. They shall arrive tomorrow morning. You must complete the form before submitting it. He can run faster than me. He could bring dessert to the party. We might see Madani Channel tonight. He should apologize for being late. I will call you later this evening. These sentences cover a variety of real-life situations, helping learners understand and apply modals effectively. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmath English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.